That's your daughter?
Yeah.
Okay, mashallah. Yeah.
MashaAllah.
Okay, so inshallah, I will ask you some questions. The answer to every question is yes. Okay?
Can I use some
Yes,
video?
yes,
Fine?
yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Okay, we ready? Do you believe in one God?
Yes.
Do you believe God sent messengers time to time, situation to situation, area to area, location to location, just to guide the humanity, and none of them is his son?
Yes.
Do you believe Jesus is his messenger, not his son?
Yes.
Do you believe Quran is his final book?
Yes.
Do you believe Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his final messenger?
Yes.
Do you believe in life after this life?
Yes.
Do you believe in angels?
Yes.
Do you believe in hell and heaven?
Yes.
Then repeat after me. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
alla
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallahu
illallahu
wahdahu
wahdahu
la sharika lah
la sharika lah
wa ashhadu
wa
wa ashhadu
wa
wa ashhadu
hadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluh.
wa rasuluh.
Congratulations. Takbir.
Allahu Akbar.